Hello all, I am Dr. Prabhas Sanjanbal. In today's class, we will discuss about the conversion of finite automata to regular expression, or if the finite automata is given, how to construct regular expression. Okay, now we'll see the construction of regular expression from the finite automata. Okay, so see here the first question. Here the first question. Construct the regular expression for the following finite automata. Okay, these are the finite automatas, like this one is the finite automatas are given. Now we'll construct the regular expression. Okay, see here. So these are the basic constructions. So these are the basic constructions of regular expression of the given finite automata. What is the meaning? Means here there are two states, Q0 and Q2. Q0 and Q2. But from Q0 to Q1 means from initial to final state, there are three transitions like A, B, C. Since here there are three transitions from Q0 to Q1 means initial to final states. So the regular expression is here. Remember, Q0 to means from Q0 to Q1 either A, the transition is like either A, from Q0 to Q1 either B, or from Q0 to Q1 or C. Means there are three transitions, but we can take at a time any one transition. Either we can take a transition from Q0 to Q1, or we can take from Q0 to Q1 B transition, or we can take from Q0 to Q1 C transition. So either we can take any one transition from initial to final state. So the regular expression is here A plus B plus C. So the regular expression is A plus B plus C. Okay, these are the basic regular expressions from the finite automata. Okay, the next question is see here, the next question is Q0 is a self loop. Q0 is the initial and final state, and A is a self loop on Q0. What is the meaning of the regular? The regular expression is A star. It is nothing but A star because it will give all types of strings over A alphabet. So here means it will give epsilon, it will give A, it will give double A, it will give triple A, like this. So the regular expression is nothing but A star. Okay, here the regular expression is A plus either A or B or C. Plus means any one. Plus means either or. Okay, if it is a self loop, then it is A star. Okay, these are also called as the second one. This one is also called as the basic regular expression from the given finite automata. Next we will see this one. This one is also called as the basic regular expression from the given finite automata. Q0 to means a transition from Q0 to Q1, this is A, and transition from Q1 to Q2 is B. So the regular expression is here A, B, or we can write like this A dot B. So these are three. So these three regular expressions are completely basic regular expressions. Here A plus B plus C, here a B. If there are two transitions like from Q0 to Q1 and Q1 to Q2, this is we can write like this a B. If it is a self loop, we can write like this A star. If there are multiple transitions from any one state to any other state, then we can write or we can mention either or operations. Okay, so these are the three basic regular expressions. Based on these basic regular expressions, we can construct the regular expression if any finite automata is given. See here, the next one, the next question. The next question is given. This one is one finite automata. Now we'll construct the regular expression. See here, from Q0 to Q1 is nothing but this is A. So the regular expression is equal to A. Since it is C is a self loop. Since it is a C is a self loop, so it is nothing but C star. We have already mentioned. Then from Q1 to Q2 is B. Okay, it is very simple. It is very simple, means when any finite automata is given, the construction of regular expression is very simple. This is nothing but this is A, this is C star, then B. Means based on this, see here, based on this one, the third means it is nothing but here A, here it is nothing but A, then C is a loop. Loop means we can take this concept or this basic regular expression. Since A is a loop, so it is A star. So it is nothing but it is C star. Then start with B. Then start with B. So it is nothing but A, C star, B. Okay. Next we'll see Q0 to A and Q1 to B. Q0 to A and Q1 to B. It is nothing but what? Actually see here, Q0 to 1, Q2 means what? In the initially it will give AB. In the next page it will give what? AB, AB, like AB, 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 like this. So it is nothing but what? AB whole star. We can write the regular expression is nothing but AB whole star. We can write, but one problem is there. Okay, so Q0, if we can simply explain this diagram or this finite automata like this, here this is Q0, this is Q1. That means what? It is a loop. A, B, A, B. It is just a loop. Loop means what? A, B, A, B, A, B is a loop. So here A, B whole star. Then from Q0 to Q1 is A. Then Q0 to Q1 is A. So it is nothing but A, B whole star into A, the regular expression. Okay. Means what? Actually Q0 to Q1 is simply a loop. Since it is a loop, I just take a loop. Means I just simply construct means this finite automata in a simple way. Means A, B is a loop, then Q0 to Q1 is A is a transition from Q0 to Q1. Okay. So this one is the regular expression. Okay. In the next question, we'll see the first. Now we'll find the regular expression of the given question. How to find here? From Q0 to Q1, Q1 to Q3. This is A, right? This is A. See here, either this is A or BB. Either A or BB. Okay. This is either A or BB. Then in Q3 is a loop. Q3 is a loop means what? A plus B whole loop, A plus B whole star. So then it is A plus B whole star means for this one. Then from Q3 to Q4, either A or B or C. So it is A plus B plus C. Means when we will construct the regular expression, we simply follow a sequence order. Means here this is means sequence order means what? Either A or BB. Then is a self loop will come. Then this OR condition will come. means A or B or C. So either it is A or B, then self loop A plus B the whole star, then either A or A, B or C, A or B or C. Okay. The next question we'll see. We'll see from Q0 to Q1, A comma B means what? A comma B means A or B. Either we can take A transition or we can take B transition from Q0 to Q1. So the regular expression is either A or B. So A plus B, we can take the regular expression. Then come a loop. Loop means what? C star. It is nothing but C star. Then A will come. So A. So this is very simple, the regular expression for the given finite automata. Okay. Next we'll see this one. A, B, similar see here A, B is self loop. Here from Q0 to Q1, A is a self loop. Here A, then B. A, B is a self loop. So we can also simply construct this question or this finite automata like this. Here this is Q0, this is Q1, this is Q2, like this. So AB, here AB, since it is a loop, it is nothing but this is AB. Then A, then C, then A, then C. So the regular expression of the given language equal to AB means what? AB whole star, AB whole star, then A, then C, then A, then C. Okay. The next question we'll see. The regular expression of the given question, the finite automata. See here, we can also simply construct this question. See like this. This is Q0, this is Q1, this is Q2. This is AB is a loop. Here AB is a loop. So AB is a loop, AB is a loop, then A, then C, then A. So the regular expression equal to AB self loop, AB whole star, then A, AB whole star, then A, then C star, because C is a loop, C star, then A, then A. The regular expression looks like. Oh, sorry. This one is not like that. The regular expression not like that. Here, actually, see here is a loop like this. Here A, oh, sorry. Here is a loop like A, C star. It is also, Q1 also contains C star, means C is a loop. So it is nothing but the loop is like A, C star, A, C star, B. Here loop is A, C star, B. Why? Because here this is Q0, this is Q1. Here A, here C, here B. So a loop is A, B. It is not A, B, because it is A, again it will contain C. A, C star, then B. It is A, C star, B. So A, C star, B is a loop. So A, C star, B is a loop. So this is A, C star, B is a whole loop of A, C star, B. Then A will come, then C star, then A. Then this is the regular expression actually. Okay. The next question we'll see. Q0, Q1, Q2. So now we'll construct this finite automata in simple way, like this Q0, this is Q1, this is Q2. Okay. So here loop is like this. Here A is already a loop. Here A is already a loop. See here, this is A, already loop. So the next loop is B, then B star, then B. So A comma B, B star, B. Then B will come, then B will come, then B star, then A. Okay. So either A or B, B star, B. Either A or B, B star, B. We can also explain in this way, like this Q0 to Q1 means I just simply explain this one. This one from means Q0 to Q1. Here this is Q0, this is Q1. Q1 either it contains A is a self loop, either A is a self loop or B, B star, B or B, B star, B. Then B here also B star, like this. Okay. But our final finite automata is this one. Okay. So the regular expression equal to A or B, B star B, A or B, B star B ka whole star. Then B will come, then B star, then A. Okay. Either A or B, B star B whole star, then B, then B star, then A. Okay. The next question is Q0 B is a whole star, then A, then B. This is A. Okay. See here we can simply explain this finite automata. This is Q0, this is Q1. Okay, here B is already self loop, so either B or this is also, there are two loops. B is a loop already there, so another loop is A star B, A star B, A star B. So this is A, then A star, then A. So the regular expression is here B or A star B, B or A star B whole star, then A, then A star. Okay. In the next class, we will also see some problems that are related to finite automata to regular expression. Thanks for watching.